you for tuning in. This is Learn with Moji. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are part of the family. You know what we do here on this channel. It's a child-friendly channel where we do educative things relating to children. So in today's class, we are going back to our Ugo C 25th edition, and instead of us going to text 14 that we have to go, we are going back to the very first question of our 25th edition. And why are we doing this? When I started the class, we started from text 5. So I got a comment from a parent that she will appreciate it if you can start from the very first question of our 25th edition of Mathematics Ugo C. So we are going to do text 2, text 3, text 4. We've done 5 to 13. So after the text 4, we go straight to our text 14. I love you. And in case you are watching, you are yet to subscribe, please do. And after that, don't keep the video to yourself. Keep sharing till it gets to those who will need it as well. So now let's go straight to our questions. Question says, how many seconds are there in 8 minutes, 12 seconds? The first question there is how many seconds are there in a minute, which is 60. So we are going to multiply 60 by 8. Then we have the extra 12 seconds that is on the question. So let's go. How many minutes? Okay, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And here we don't know it, but we are told we have what here? 8 minutes. So when you want to cross multiply, it will be 60 times 8. Whatever answer you get, you are adding it with 12. So 60 times 8 is what here? That's 40. And this is 40. 40 plus the 8, which gives you 48. So our answer there is 48. But is that the final answer? No. So it will be plus the 12 seconds. 294. So we have 492 seconds in 8 minutes, 12 seconds. We have it as option what? Option C. So to our number 2, we have to simplify 2 over 5 plus 2 over 7 times 1 minus 1 over 8. So we are doing this separately, And the first thing to do here is to find the LCM and get the bracket opened. So let's look for the LCM. LCM of 5 and 7, that is 35. 5 in 35, that is 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 in 35, that is 5. 5 times 2, that is 10. You are keeping this at one side. Then for this, make this over 1. The LCM of 1 and 8, that is 8. 1 in 8, 8. 1 times that, 1. 8 in 8, 1. 1 times 1, that is still 1. So we are having 14 plus 10, which is equal to 24 over 35. We multiply this. 8 minus 1, that is 7 over 8. So let's do what now? Let's cut. 7 here 1, 7 here 5. 8 here 1, 8 here 3. So we have 3 over 5. Do we have it in the option? 3 over 5, we have it as option D. So now to number 3. There are 750 students in our college. If 70% of them are girls, how many are boys? So we are going to work with 70 over 100, multiply it by 750. Whatever answer we get, we minus it from the total students, which is 750. So 70%, that is 7 over 100, multiplied by what? Multiplied by 750. This can take care of this. This can take care of this. So we have 7 times 75. 5 times 7, that is 35. I said if you don't use calculator, that is 35. we are holding 3. 7 times 7, that is 49. 49 plus 3, that is 52. So we have 525. Is that our final answer? No, because I said whatever answer you get, you are taking it away from the total number of students, which is 750. So that will be 750 minus 525. So you do that and put the answer in the comment section. We do things together here. Number 4 says, simplify. Let me write the question. We have this 5 whole number 4/9. So we are taught to simplify that. What are we going to do first? 5 times 9, that is 45. 45 plus the 4, that is 49. So we are having 49/9. So 49 is what? 7 times 7, because we have the square root there. That is 7/3. It's not possible for 3 to carry 7. So that would be 2 whole number 1/3. So that is the square root of that given number. Do we have it in the option? 2 1/3. 2, that is option B. There are some questions that I will not finish. I'm just finishing some. If we get to a level now, the percentage of people infected with HIV in 2001 were 100. In 2004, 250 people were infected. Find the ratio of those infected in 2001 to those infected in 2004. Number 5. So in 2001, we are told that 100 people were infected. So we have 100. And in 2004, we are told 250 people were infected. So we take this away, we have 10, ratio 25. 5 can go in, 5 here 2, 5 here 5. So the ratio there is 2 to ratio 5, which is option B. So now to number 6 question. The ratio of the length to breadth of a room is 7/5. Related to this, 7/5. Find the length, and we are told that is length to, this is length, this is breadth. Find the length of the room. They made a mistake there. They wrote find the length of the room 9 if, so the 9 supposed not to be there. So it is find the length of the room if the breadth is 10 meters. We are now told that this is 10 meters. Very simple. What did they do here? They multiply this by 2, they get 10. Anything you do for A, you do for B. So obviously this 7 will be multiplied by 2 also, which will give us 14 meters. That is 7 times 2, because here we have 5 times 2. So our answer there is 14 meters. Simple. Number 7. Increase 80 by 10%. Increase 80 by 10%. And what are we going to do here? Any number that you see that carries the percent carries the over 100. So this will be 10 over 100 multiplied by 80. This can take care of this. This can take care of this. So we have 8. And because we are increasing it, whatever answer you get, you add it with the 80, the original money, because we are increasing. And what if we flip the question? It is reduced. It will be 8 away from 80. So but because we are increasing, it will be 80 plus 8, which is equal to 88 naira. Odiri bought 12 cartons of biscuits for 3,000 naira. Find the cost of 7 cartons. 12 cartons of biscuits for, let's interpret the question. Number 8. 12 cartons of biscuits for how much? For 3,000 naira. 12 cartons of biscuits for 3,000 naira, and we are to find the cost of 7 cartons. So 7 cartons is unknown. So the best way to go about it is take the 3,000, divide it by 12. So we will get how much a carton costs, and whatever the cost of a carton is, we are multiplying it by 7. So let's go. 3,000 divided by 12. 3,000 divided by 12. Let's use 6 to cut. 6 here 2. 6 in 30. That is 5. Then this. So we are having 250 naira. That's not our final answer. So it will now be 250 naira multiplied by 7. 7 times 5, 35. You write 5, you hold 3. This is 14. 14 plus 3, that is 17. So for 7 cartons, it will be 1,750 naira. We have it as option D. Number 9, I'm not going to do it. Number 9 says, reduce 36 over 100 to the lowest term. What we are told to do there is you keep cutting till you can't cut it again. You can start from the very least number, which is 2. I won't finish it, but let's start. 2 in 3, that is 1. 2 in 18, 2 in 16, that is 8. 2 in 10, that is 5. 2 in the 0, that is the 0. So you can still keep cutting till you can't cut again. Then you can give me the answer in the comment section. Now to number 10 question. A man earns 5,000 naira for 10 days work. How much he earned in 14 days if working at the same rate? Just like the same question we did in number 8. The man earned 5,000 naira for working for 10 days. So obviously, how much is he being paid every day? He's being paid 500 naira every day. So that 500 naira will be multiplied by 14 and we will get our answer. So for 10 days, you got 5,000 naira. And now 14 days is unknown. So let's take 5,000 divided by 10. Take this, take this. So that is 500 naira. And that will be 500 multiplied by 14. Anything multiplied by 0 gives you 0. 4 times 5, that is 20. This is a 0, this is a 0, this is 5. 0, 0, 0, 7. So the man will be paid 7,000 naira, which is option C. So now to our number 11th question. Find the simple interest on 600 naira for 5 years at 8% per annum. What is our formula for simple interest? Principal times rate times time over 100. Then we start sorting it out. The principal is the original money you kept in the bank. So number 11, simple interest is principal times rate times time over 100. And we are told that the original money put there is 600 naira. The rate is what? The rate is 8 and the time is 5 years divided by 100. This take care of this. So we have 6 times 8 times 5, which is equal to, so you give me the answer in the comments section. Number 12, if 400 gram ratio 1k, 400 gram ratio 1 kilogram, find the ratio in the simplest form. The same thing with question number 9. So this is number 12. But the only difference is they are not in the same unit, which we will have to put in the same unit. 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. So that will be 400 grams ratio 1,000 grams. These two will take care of this two. So we are having 4 ratio 10. 2 here 2, 2 here 5. So it is 2 ratio 5. We have it as option A. If 8 children ate a crate of egg in 12 days, 8 children, a crate of egg for 12 days, and the question now is, how long will 6 children takes to eat same crate of egg? That is not known. That is unknown to us. So let's divide the 2 by 6 children. 6 children. 6 6 children. 6 children. So what do we do now? So let these 6 children take care of these 6 children. Let this 6 here, okay, I can't cut it down. 6 here 1, 6 here 2. So that would be, okay, children can cause children. So we have 8 times 2, and that would be 16 days. So it's going to take 6 children to eat a crate of egg since 16 days. Number 14 says, let me put the 14 question. We are to simplify 2x minus x plus 4x. I want us to put the numbers together and take away the s. Then we'll come back to that. But we should know that the x staying here, it is not staying alone. It is 1x. So that would be 2 minus 1 plus 4x. Plus 2 minus 1 plus 4. This 2 here is plus 2. So plus 2 plus 4, that is 6. Minus 1, that is 5x. So our answer there is 5x. And that leads us to number 15. We are to convert 0.025 to decimal fraction. So that would be 25 over 1000. Put 1 here, turn the other figure to a 0. So keep cutting till you can't cut it again. We have done something like this. We have done it there too. So you cut that and put the answer in the comment section. Question: to find the LCM of 12 and 16. We have 12, 2 here 6, 2 here 3, and we have 3 here. And what? And 16. 2 here 8, 2 here 4, 2 here 2, 2 here 1. So that means we have 2 times 2 times 3, and we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So we are going to have 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So you multiply that and you put the answer in the comment section. Now to number 17th question. We are to find the HCF and LCF of 8 and 12. HCF and LCF. So when we are looking for HCF, we keep cutting again. 8. Because of space, let me come here. Number 16. We have 8 and 12. 2 here 4, 2 here 2, 2 here 1. And for 12, 2 here 6, 2 here 3, and 3 here 1. So that is for that. And we are to look for the HCF too. HCF of 8 and 12. 2 here 4, 2 here 6, 2 here 2, 2 here 3. So for this one, we are having 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, that is 24. And for this one is just 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So what are we going to do to the same answer, to the two answers? Then it should be 24 plus 4, which is equal to 28. So that's our final answer there. So in questions, how many hours and minutes are there between 9:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. and 1:50 p.m. So 9:30 to 10:30, 1. Okay. 9:30 to 10:30. 10:30 to 11:30. 11:30 to 12:30. 12:30 to 1:30. So that is 4 hours. And we still have 20 minutes more. So it is 4 hours and 20 minutes, which is in option C. Number 19 says, if x is, number 19, if x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 2. So we have to simplify 2x plus y over y plus z. So that 2x will give us, the x there is 4, so we are having 2 bracket 4 plus our y there is 1, our y is 1, our z is 2. So 2 times 4, that is 8. 8 plus 1, and we have what here? Okay, this is plus over 3, and that is 9 over 3, which is equal to 3. So our answer there is 3. And that is the number 20th question. We have to find the value of s in the equation, and we have 3s plus 1 is equal to s plus 9. Number 20, 3x plus 1 is equal to x plus 9. I want us to minus 1 from the equation. So if you are minusing 1 from the equation, we are going to have 2x is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 8. So that will be x is going to be 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. So our s there is 4. And that is number 20. Now to number 21. If 4x raised to power 2 minus 3 is equal to 1, which of the following is the value of 1 minus x? 1 minus 2x. So number 21, they said 4x squared minus 3 is equal to 1. So when we bring the 3 here, it turns to plus. That will be 4x2. When 4x raised to power 2 is equal to 1 plus 3. And that will be 4x is equal to 4. X is equal to 1. Then we find the square root of 2x, which is equal to, our x is 1 now. The 1 minus 2 bracket 1. And that is equal to minus 1. We have 1. So our answer there is minus 1. So now to number 22 question. 22 question. If 2 ratio 7, that 2 ratio 7 is the same thing as this, is expressed in the form 4 over x. Because we are told to find the x, so what do we do here? Because multiply, that will be 2x is equal to 7 times 4. 2x is equal to 28. X is equal to 28 divided by 2, which is equal to 14. So our answer there is 14. Number 23 question now. What is the ratio of 12 minutes to 1 hour? 12 minutes to 1 hour. They are not in the same unit, so let's take them to the same unit first. This is 60 minutes. So I think you should be able to do this. What you have to do is, how many times will 12 goes in 60? That is 5. So it will be 1 minute is ratio 5 minutes. So it is 1 to ratio 5. So now to our number question. Solve the equation 10y minus 7 is equal to 27. 10y minus 7 is equal to 27. Let's take this 7 to this place, it turns to plus. Now will be 10y is equal to 27 plus 7. 10y is equal to 34. Then y is equal to 34 over 10. What can we use? How many times will 10 go in? So that is 3 times. We have 4 over 10, which you can still cut. You can still cut it because something can still go 2 here to 2 here 5. So our answer there is 2 over 5. So that's our final answer there. To number 25th question now. Find the area of the circle whose radius is 7 centimeters. And we are told from the question to take our pile to be 22 over 7. So the first question here is, what is the formula for area of a circle? That is pi r square. Number 25, the formula there is pi r squared. We are told to use our pile to be what? 22 over 7. And from the question, our radius given is what? 7. So times 7 times 7. This 7 can take care of this. So we have 22 times 7. So you do that and give me the answer in the comment section. Number 26 says, calculate the area of a triangle whose height is 8 centimeter and base is 6 centimeter. And what is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? It is 1 over 2 base times height. So we need that formula. Number 26. So area of a triangle is what? 1 over 2 base times height. So our 1 over 2 is constant. Our base in the question is what? Our base is 6. And our height is what? 8. So 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So we have 3 times 8, which is equal to 24. But do it and give me the answer in the comment section. Number 27 question. We are given this diagram. We have 13 here. We have 12 here. This is y. But let's label it for us to get it ready. Let's label this to be A, this to be B, and this to be C. And what is our formula to get it to be A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared. So we are given A, we are given B, but C is not given to us. So let us go. Our A there is what? 12. Our B given there is what? 13. But our C square is not given. So 12 square is 12 times 12, which is 144. Is equal to what is our 13 times 13? That is 169. 169 plus C square. So what do we do from here? So that would be 169. 169 minus 144. 169. This is 5. And this is 2. So we have 22 there. We have 25 there. So that would be square root of 25 to get our C. That would be square root of 25, which is equal to 5. So our C there is 5, which will be 5 times 5, 25. Number 28 question. We are to find the value of t in the equation. Find the value of t in the equation. We have 3t. Number 28. We have 3t minus 5 is equal to t plus 15. So what do we do here? Let's take the t's aside and the figures aside. So we are taking t aside. That will be 3t minus this t, which is equal to what? 15 plus 5. So that will be 3t. So 3t minus t, that gives us 2t is equal to 20. T is equal to 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. So our t there is 10. Number 29 question. Now we are to solve for n in 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. So over 4 here. So this will be over 1. Let's cross multiply. That will be 2n minus 1. Because any number multiplied by 0 gives you 0. So let's take 2n is equal to 1. n is equal to half. You know where the half is coming from. You divide it by it. Now to number 30th question. Find the value of x in the equation. Find the value of x. So number 30 question. We have 5x minus 3 is equal to 2x plus 12. So what do we do? Let's collect the like times. Let the x come to one side and the numbers without letters comes to one side. And that will be 5x. This minus 2x is equal to what? 12x. plus 3. And this 5x minus 2, that's equal to 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 divided by 3, which is equal to 5. So our answer there is 5. Number 31 question says the area of the square field is 100 meters square. What is the perimeter of the field? What is the formula to find the area of a square? That is the side raised to power 2. So let's take the question down. Number 31. The area of a square is equal to side raised to power 2. And we are told that the side is what from the question? The side is 100. So that means the square root of 100 is equal to 10. And we are to look for the perimeter. The perimeter of a square is the first side of the something. So now the 10 will now be 10 times 4, which is equal to 40. So our answer there is 40 meters. Number 32 question, let me put the M. Number 32 question, it said find the area of the area shaded portion in the diagram below. We are given a diagram. Okay, I've seen it here. So that will be 4 times 8 and 3 times 2. When you subtract it, that will be, from the diagram we have 4 times 8. Then we have 3 times 2. 4 times 8, that is 32 minus 6. So 32 minus 6. You give me the answer in the comment section. So to number 33, I've seen number 33 question. A girl is 12 years old now. What was her age X years ago? Very simple. 12 years now. Her age X years ago, we are not told. And that will give us the age. That will give us the age. We are just to interpret that question. Number 34. Solve 7x minus 5 is equal to 7x minus 5 is equal to 2. So we are doing this. The x come, the 5 and 2 goes there. That will be 7x is equal to 5 plus 2. 7x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 over 7, which is equal to 1. So our answer there is 1. And that is now to number 35 question. In an examination, a boy spends X minutes part A and 15 minutes in part B. How many minutes did he use for the whole examination? We are told in part A, number 35, we are told that in part A, he only spent X minutes. We are not told the number of minutes. In part B, he spent 15 minutes. So the question now is, how many minutes did he use for the whole exam? That would be 15 plus X minutes. 15 plus X minutes. I'm sure we should have it in our option. 15 plus X minutes, correct. So now to number 36. Find 6 question. Find the perimeter of a circle of radius 7 centimeters. And we are told to take our pile to be 22 over 7. The perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. The perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. So we have to, our pile is 22 over 7. And the radius there is 7. So this take care of this. And we have 2 times 22, which is equal to 44 centimeters. Number 37 question. A car uses 10 meters of fuel for a journey of 40 kilometers. 10 liters of fuel, let's interpret it, for a journey of 40 kilometers on the average. What distance will 25 liters cover? 25 liters, we don't know the number of this thing it will cover. So what do you do here? You cross multiply it. 25, that will be 25 times 40 divided by 10. This can take care of this. So we have 25 times 4, which is equal to 100 kilometers. So it's going to cover 100 kilometers. So now to number 38 question. A square has how many lines of symmetry? It has 4 lines of symmetry. So 39 question now. The mark scores in a test by 10 pupils are as follows: 15, 14, 15, 13, 16, 16, 17, 13, 16, 17. Find the mode mark. When we are looking for the modal mark, it means the number that appear most. Let's write it down. So we have 15, we have 14, we have 15, we have 13, we have 16, we have 16, we have 17, we have 13, we have 16, we have 17. So which number appeared most? Let me see, how many times do we have 13? We only have 13 2 times. Do we have 14? We only have 14 1 time. Do we have 15? We only have 15 2 times. Do we have 16? We have 16, 16, 16. We have 16 3 times, and we have 17. So our answer there is 16, because the modal means the most frequent number that's shown from the given. So now to number question, which is the last question for this text. The average of 6, 10, S, 20, and 30 is 18. What is the value of S? So we are going to add 6 plus 10 plus S plus 20 plus 30. You divide it by the number of times those items appear, and the answer there is 18. So let's go. We have 10, we have S, we have 6, we have 10, we have S, we have 20, we have 30 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5 is equal to 80. So you add all those things together. 10 plus 6 plus 10, 16, 36, 66 plus x, 66 plus x, yes, which is equal, 66 plus x is equal to 90. X is equal to 90 minus 66. That is 4. 6, that is 24. So do we have it there? We have it as option C. So these are bring us to the last question of today's text. In case you enjoyed this, please share it with others, so that anytime I upload, you will be among the first to see it. I love you. Bye. See you in the next class.